Today is June 10th. We harvested our garlic. We can use this garlic right away in our cooking, but if you have to store it for a long time, you need to cure it first. We can remove some of the dirt from it. We planted this garlic in November of 2023. It has to be underground for about 8 months, and then we are harvesting it in June. Plant one clove, you will get one bulb like this. After removing some of the dirt from it, bundle them up into about 6 to 8 bulbs and hang it in a dry, cool and well ventilated area. I made them into bundles of about 6 or 7. Now we are going to hang them in a dry, cool and well ventilated area. It may take 2 to 3 weeks for them to completely cure, and then we can store them. It's been 2 weeks that we have kept this for curing, so we can store them to use for the whole year or at least 6 months. We can trim off the roots, remove the outer skin to remove the dirt, and we can cut them about 1 inch from the neck. After trimming up the roots and the leaves, you can store them in baskets like this, or you can store them in paper bags, brown paper bags. If you have not started planting garlic, it's a good idea. It is planted in fall and harvested in summer. So when you plant one clove like this, you will get one bulb. Happy gardening!